This Hot Wheels car I paid $60 for. It is now worth nearly $200. And we're gonna open it up and see what it's all about. It's brand new in packaging. This is the Lamborghini Countach LP500S from the RLC Special Collection. And it is the red one, which is the one that I think looks the best. I think it's the more rare one right here. We'll open it up right there. You can see a little picture of it on this little display. And we're just gonna completely take this off of its little standing case right here. We're gonna play with the doors. We're gonna see what it's all about. So let's go ahead and do that right away. I've got my little screwdriver right here so we can unscrew it. We're just gonna take this top piece off first. And you can see one of the doors already closed. We're gonna close that door right now. We're just gonna unscrew this and we're gonna take a nice close-up look at this car. This car is numbered as well. It's 3124 of 12,500 made. But I don't really care. Let's open it up. Let's go ahead and see what this is all about. And as you can see by the video, it is quite difficult to get this car off, but we did get it, and here it is. And first thing I notice, I love the weight of this car. It feels nice and heavy. It feels like really, really good quality. All right, let's go ahead and see these doors and how these doors work. So they've got the proper Lamborghini scissor doors from the Lamborghini Countach. Look at that. Does that not look awesome right there? So the doors do come up. They do stay up right now nicely, so they don't actually wave down or anything. So they're actually quite strong. The hinges are quite strong on them. And then when they do close, right there and right there, they close nice and perfectly. I mean, once it's down, you can see how the door right here, it does kind of come out a little bit right here, so it's maybe not the strongest of hinge. This one, the sides, no, that's about, yeah, they're about the same, so they're not the strongest of hinges. But I mean, you got to think of this scale of car, very, very tiny, to get the proper Lamborghini scissor doors like that. Wow, like just look at that. This has got to be, in my opinion, one of the best looking Hot Wheels cars ever made. And not only that, I mean, you just look at how well designed this car is as well. Like the proportions of it and everything are absolutely perfect. The paint job on here, that Spectra Flame red paint job looks fantastic. The details from the back end right there, that spoiler on there, just an amazing, amazing looking car right here. As you can see, look at that front end as well. One other car that I do want to pick up and grab, I've got behind me right here, is the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL with the gullwing doors. These are both RLC cars, and these have to be the two best looking RLC cars ever released, ever made. I absolutely love them. You see the gullwing doors. We'll close those. We'll close those scissor doors so we can see them looking closed right there. But just two fantastic, fantastic looking cars. If you're looking to buy them, you can actually buy the 300 SL right now for fairly cheap. It's going, I think, still less than $100. And in my opinion, to get this car less than $100, this is going to be a very valuable car in the future. And if you want to get this one with the scissor doors, you are going to pay anywhere from about $150 to $200 for a brand new in-box one. And this one, yes, I've opened it up. I'm never going to sell it. I'm going to keep it in my collection. I just love it with those doors, and I'll probably display it up with my other RLC cars with those doors opened up, guys. But if you like this video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Let me know what you think of this Lamborghini Countach with those scissor doors, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.